Congratulations! Now that you've learned the fundamentals of guitar, I've incorporated them into a comprehensive song for you to learn and practice. Please refer to your tablature and we will be going over the introduction. The intro to the song incorporates slides and pull-offs. So, in the tablature you'll see that you play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. We're going to use our ring finger, which is your 3rd finger, and slide up to the 5th fret. Just like that. And then we're going to play the 3rd fret on the 1st string, just like that. And then after that we're going to pull off from the 5th fret to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay? Alrighty. And then we're going to play the 4th fret on the 3rd string with your 2nd finger. So let's incorporate that all together. And this is where it gets a little tricky. So after that we're going to play the 3rd fret with your 1st finger on the 2nd string, and then instead of hitting this again with your 2nd finger, we're going to hit it with your 3rd finger. So just like that. And the reason why we're doing that is because we're going to do a pull off onto the 2nd fret, and that's very awkward with your 2nd finger. So alright. Now after we pull off onto the 2nd fret, we're going to then pull this 1st finger off again to hit the string open. Just like that. And then after that note, we're going to play the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay? And then after that, we're going to play the 3rd string open. And then back to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Just like that. Alright, now let's move into the second portion of the song. This portion we're going to incorporate chords and chord transitions. So let's start with the G chord that we learned, just like it says on your tablature. Now we're going to strum it. Strumming in tablature is a little hard to read, so this is the way we're going to strum it. So just kind of strum that and practice that rhythm. The next chord we're going to go to is the D chord. So it'll be played like this. And we're going to do something a little bit different that we haven't done before. We're going to bring the pinky and push it down on the 3rd fret on the 1st string there. And then take it off. So just like that. Alright, and then put together, this is what that's going to sound like. After that, we're going to go to the C chord. And this is in your chord diagram. We haven't gone over this in person, but this is what the C chord looks like. You're going to do 3rd fret on your 3rd finger on the 5th string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret on the 4th string, 1st finger on the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and you're not going to play the 6th or E string. So we're going to go G, D, C, and together that's going to sound like this. Now let's move on to the third section of the song. We're going to start with the A chord. And again, we're going to get a little tricky here, and we're going to take your first finger off, just like that. And together it goes like that. So this is how it's going to sound in the song. And then from there we're going to go to the C chord, but we're not going to push down with our first finger. Just like that. So. And then we're going to use that finger later by going like this. Okay, so. And then we're going to go again, but we're going to do it backwards, so. So all together it's going to sound like this. Now that you've learned all of the components of the song individually, I'm going to put them together for you and play the whole song for you so you can hear how it sounds.